change the only constant in life. At Indpro, we embrace it. In a world that evolves every second, we challenge the impossible, fuel innovation, and connect you to progress. We are proud to be the force behind this change, silently powering global industries through cutting-edge material handling solutions. We are Indpro, born from passion, driven by precision. Since 2004, we've built a legacy of trust, innovation, and excellence. ISO 9001-2015 certified company with a footprint across India and global markets. Today, Indpro is synonymous with innovate, integrate, instate. It all begins with design. We don't just design systems, we engineer solutions. Our design process starts by understanding your needs deeply. Through 3D modeling and virtual simulations, our experienced team transforms ideas into scalable realities. At the heart of our innovation lies our world-class R&D center where engineers and researchers collaborate to solve today's toughest bulk solids handling challenges. From raw material testing to simulation-driven prototyping, we continuously develop systems that improve efficiency, sustainability, and safety. Our manufacturing process combines premium materials with world-class equipment, laser cutting, CNC, welding to bring every design to life. Every system is tested for flow, pressure, and reliability, ensuring flawless performance under real-world conditions. Quality is embedded in every stage from raw material inspection to final testing. Backed by global certifications and a zero-compromise attitude, our quality team ensures every unit meets the highest standards of performance and safety. Our work doesn't stop at the factory gates. Our expert site teams ensure every installation is completed with precision, efficiency, and safety, on time, every time. What sets Indpro apart is not just technology, but people. Our passionate team is the strength behind every project. Some have dedicated nearly 2 decades for Indpro, growing together, solving problems, and shaping the future.
At Indpro, research and development is at the heart of everything we do. That's why we are constantly investing in R&D, not just to improve what already exists, but to create what doesn't exist yet. Our dedicated team of engineers work relentlessly to develop cutting-edge solutions. With innovation as our foundation and excellence as our drive, we are building tomorrow's solutions today. We are proud to represent India globally, bringing cutting-edge engineering to the world and strengthening India's mark on the global industrial map.
Indpro was incorporated in year 2004. Recently, we completed 20 years of our existence. Indpro, along with its 2 associate joint venture companies, namely Piper Bagging India Private Limited and Harding Filter Technique India Private Limited, we have 4 manufacturing units and almost 200 people. I owe success of Indpro to all our partners, our customers, suppliers, and more specifically to all our past and present employees. At Indpro, our goal is clear: continuous improvement in quality of machines, of processes, and of people. Trust, ethics, and collaboration define our foundation. Together, we are building better tomorrow for our customers.
From food to pharma, chemicals to plastics, Indpro empowers production in industries where bulk material handling is key. Our systems are trusted worldwide for their reliability and performance. From grains to polymers, powder to pellets, no matter if your material flows or not, Indpro can make it happen. Partner with us to transform your material handling journey. Explore your solution today. Indpro, engineering the flow of tomorrow. representing excellence in engineering from India by creating a mark on the world. Connect with our experts. Visit www.inpro.com.